The sun is about to set, and the temperature is going to drop down to -40 degrees.
To stay alive in this extreme hypothermic weather, I only have three things with me. If a fire isn't lit in the next 5 minutes, hypothermia will put me to sleep forever.
The clock has started. First target, a shelter to escape this wind.
I need a place where the direction of the wind can be blocked. This fallen tree is perfect. I have to clear the snow to reach the ground. Only a deep trench shelter will block the wind.
The frozen ground will suck all the warmth out of my body. That's why insulation from pine branches is essential.
The wind is too strong! If the tarp slips from my hands, survival is impossible! The basic frame of the shelter is ready, but the real test begins now. It is pitch black now. Core body temperature is dropping rapidly.
Now it's time for the fire. In this zero visibility, looking for dry wood is an open invitation to death. Only at the base of standing trees can we find some dry twigs.
I need to remove the top layer of ice. The wood inside might be dry. Found it! Dry wood emerged from inside the wet ice. My fingers are going numb. Blood circulation is dropping. I only have 1 or 2 chances. No! There is still a slight moisture in the wood. It's not catching directly.
I need something that catches fire instantly. Think! Think!
My bag the cotton from its inner lining can be useful!
Yes, it caught. It caught.
The fire is lit. But the real battle isn't over yet. The night is still very long.
Fuel is very low. I will have to burn these large logs very carefully. It's midnight. Sleep deprivation and the cold are now taking over my mind.
What was that? One side of the shelter is coming loose! I have to fix this right now, or the entire shelter will blow away!
The outside exposure has dropped my body temperature dangerously low.
The fire's about to die! I need fuel now!
Come on. Ignite. Thank goodness.
It is 3 in the morning. This is the coldest and most dangerous time. Dehydration is increasing, and the water has turned to solid ice.
Eating snow directly drops the body's core temperature. That's why melting it is necessary.
No! The weight is too much! Hold on, just a little more time!
My fuel is completely gone, but it won't be needed anymore.
The sun has come out.
I survived the most terrifying night at 40 degrees with just 3 things.
If you want to see more high-stakes survival journeys like this, hit that subscribe button right now. See you in the next challenge.